Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Lattice Stripes shell stitch pattern. For this pattern, you will need to just know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in my description below for my video on how to do double crochets. So to get started, you're going to want to do multiples of 12 plus 6. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 18 chains. Once you have your 18 chains, you're going to want to chain 4. And from the 5th chain from the hook, you're going to want to work your first double crochet. Followed by a chain 1. We're going to skip 1 chain and do a double crochet in the next chain. So again, it'll be chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. You will also need to know how to single crochet. My apologies for not mentioning that at the beginning of the video, but I'll also put a link down in the description below on how to do single crochets if you need help. So here we are coming up on the end. We'll skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the last chain from the hook. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start row 2. You're going to want to chain 1 and single crochet in the first chain from the hook. Then we are going to skip the first double crochet space, and we're going to work 5 double crochets into the next chain 1 double crochet space. So we're skipping 1 space, and in the second space working 5 double crochets. Then we will skip the next chain 1 space and work 1 single crochet in that double crochet post from the previous row. So we're going to skip that one, and right there we're going to work our first single crochet. Again, we're going to skip 1 chain 1 space, and in the second one we're going to work 5 double crochets. And we'll repeat this all the way to the end of the row. So again, we're going to skip the chain 1 space and work 1 single crochet in that double crochet post. We're going to skip the chain 1 space, and in the next one work 5 double crochets. Alright, and we'll just work 1 single crochet in the last chain stitch of row 1, and that is row 2. So row 3, we're going to turn our work, and we're going to start by chaining 4, and we're going to work 1 single crochet in the middle double crochet from the cluster we did from the previous row. Then we will chain 6, work a single crochet in the middle of the cluster of the double crochet clusters, chain 6, work a single crochet in the middle of that double crochet cluster, chain 2, and work a double crochet in the last stitch. All right, and that is row 3. So row 4 is going to be quite similar. So we're going to start by chaining 1 and working 1 single crochet in the first stitch. We are going to chain 6 and work 1 single crochet in the chain 6 from the previous row. Again, chain 6, work a single crochet in the middle of your chain 6 from the previous row, chain 6, and we're going to work a single crochet in the chain 4 wall, right at where it would start. There you go. Now row 5 is going to be just a smidgen different than rows 3 and 4. We're going to start by chaining 4 and working a single crochet in the middle of that chain 6 from the previous row. And now we're going to single crochet 5 and work a single crochet in the chain 6 row from below, and we're going to repeat this to the end. So again, it's chain 5, single crochet in the chain 6, and then we'll do 2 chains, and then we'll work a double crochet in the very last stitch. All right, and that is row 5. So row 6 is going to also be just a little bit different. So we're going to chain 1 and work a single crochet in the first stitch. Then we're going to work 2 single crochets in that chain 2 space. We're going to work a single crochet in that single crochet space from the previous row, so right there. Single crochet 5 across. Single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet 5 across. And it's mainly whatever the 5s were. So you have 2 chains, it's 2 single crochets. 5 chains is 5 single crochets. That's how you would work that across the whole entire row. So here we are with our last 2 stitches, our last 2 single crochets. And we'll do 1 and 2. We'll do the last one inside the chain wall to kind of give it that nice flat edge. And you can see the design really coming along. So now we will work row 7, which is just like row 1, where we start by chaining 4, and in the 5th chain from the hook, so which actually is just skip your first stitch, go into the 2nd, and we're going to do a double crochet, followed by a chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And the repeat for this pattern, to make it any size that you wish, will end up being repeating rows 2 through 7 until you get your desired length. Again, it's chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And that is how you do the lattice stripes shell stitch pattern. I love how this ends up looking. It's just fun. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.